Spring and summer are here, and that means more heat in your veggie garden. But don't worry, saving water and growing strong veggies and herbs can go hand in hand. Here are 5 easy tips to keep your veggie garden water-wise. First, plant close. The tighter your veggies and herbs grow, the less water escapes from the soil. Plus, it shades out weeds and helps your garden hold on to every drop. Mix in some good companions, like tomatoes with basil or carrots with onions. They have similar water needs, so you can give them the right amount without wasting water. Next, keep the weeds out. Weeds compete with your veggies and herbs for nutrients and water, so regular weeding is a must. Tip 3. Mulch. A layer of mulch is your veggie garden's blanket, locking in soil moisture, keeping it cool, and cutting back on how often you need to water. Organic options like straw, bark chips, thin lawn clippings, and compost do the job and even add nutrients back to the soil. Tip 4. Water smart. Focus on the soil, not the leaves. This ensures water goes straight to the roots where your plants need it most. And water early in the morning or later in the evening when evaporation is lowest. Finally, pay special attention to thirsty plants. Leafy greens like lettuce and spinach, root veggies like carrots and beetroot, and water-rich plants like cucumbers need extra hydration. Grow them in pots or veggie boxes so you can water them directly. The same goes for thirsty herbs like mint, coriander, and parsley. They do well in hanging baskets and herb window boxes. For an extra boost, mix water-retaining crystals into your potting soil to hold moisture and release it slowly over time. Follow these tips and your garden will stay productive, water-wise, and ready to serve up a season full of homegrown goodness. Uphold the values of using water wisely and stay informed by visiting the Rand Water WaterWise website, or follow them on social media for more water-saving tips.